Righty-ho, now you've got your basic house done and you want to get some information about the lay of the land. Where we go is we're pretty lucky in Nelson. We have access to a website called Top of the South Maps. So if you just go here, topofthesouthmaps.co.nz, and we'll zoom in. We might as well put we'll put our map right on the side of our school. So that's about it. Cool. And so we'll zoom in. Where are we going to put the house at school? We are going to zoom in to this corner here. And all I'm going to do here is I'm going to come to Data Download. And we're going to extract data. And the things we want to extract are a few things. We want to extract our contours, TDC to 0.5 meter interval. We want to also get our boundaries, once we get there, so property boundaries. And we also want to get here our aerials. This is going to be a photograph of our area. So we get aerials. And we're just going to change that layers vector format to a DWG. And then we have to choose the area that we want. So we'll click, we might as well, we can just leave current extent. Then we click extract data. And we click to continue. And this takes usually about 30 seconds or so. And what this is going to allow is the boundaries is going to show where the edge of the different sections are. The aerial photograph is going to show us where what the photos of the land look like. So it'll show us the landscaping and all that sort of thing. And then our contours are going to show how much the land is sloped. So once we have this here, we're just going to go here, open. I'm sure we'll think about opening really quickly. All we need to do with the information that we're opening is making sure we save it somewhere clever, somewhere that we can find it again. So I will go, it's not looking like it'll open, but we'll just see if I can open it from here. So what we do here is we go File, External Content, Place External Drawing. And there we go, looks like it's now opening for that. Cool. So now it finally eventually opens. So let's go zip folder. So open up our zipped folder. Obviously Screencastify slowing me down. We're just going to make sure we have all the ones we want. So property boundaries we want to keep, that contours one we want to keep. This OVR file we don't need, so we'll delete that one. And we'll also permanently delete it. Yep. And we're going to permanently delete this one here. Lots of things about it. And then these other three files, the boundaries, the contours, and the aerial, we'll be able to export into. It looks like my ArchiCAD has crashed, so we might save this video for the moment.